Welcome to the CMC Contract Management course. In this session, you will learn why you need a contract filing procedure and how to use it. The filing procedure explains how the contract management documents must be saved in the document management system. This is very important if you want to look up and read a document. So, the number one success factor for contract management is that every team member can find the contract documents. To do this, you have to make a contract filing procedure and provide instructions and training to each team member. The filing procedure must have a general contracts filing section, a pre-award section, and post-award section. Sometimes also a contract closeout section is included. The filing procedure shall support your document storage solution, like SharePoint, and shall also be aligned with your document management system. The General Contracts Filing section is used to save contracting strategy and plans, procurement procedures, standards, and templates. So, let's start with the pre-award phase filing. The contract management team shall have access to all the contract and tendering information after the contract is signed. The pre-award contracting team shall prepare a handover document and explain the key contract terms to the contract management team. Certain contract files shall be retained for a long time, like 10 years. These shall be clearly marked and securely stored. Pay special attention to how qualifications and deviations are incorporated in the contract. After the contract is signed, the final set of contract documents are placed in the post-award contract file folder in PDF format. For all the key contract management topics, a separate file folder shall be created to store the working copies and final versions. Maintaining such filing system may seem to be a duplication with other systems. However, this is needed for possible dispute resolution. Certain contract files shall be retained for a long time, like 10 years. These shall be clearly marked and securely stored. Depending on the form of contract that you are using, create subfolders within the Contract Documents folder in line with the contract structure. See the highlighted example. So, to wrap this up, ensure that you have a contract filing procedure which is structured per contracting phase with all relevant subfolders that you need. Don't forget to include the contract filing procedure in an onboarding package and explain how to use it in your contract management training sessions. Thanks for time, and hopefully we see you at the next session. If you are interested in the contract filing procedure template, then see the link in the description.